Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm diving into the Mammotion LUBA 2 AWD 3000HX robot lawnmower, available on Amazon. If you're looking to simplify lawn care with cutting-edge tech, stick around to hear why this mower is a game changer, along with a few quirks to consider. Let's start with what makes the LUBA 2 AWD 3000HX so impressive. This thing is a beast for lawns up to 0.75 acres with a max coverage of 0.89 acres. Its all-wheel drive system tackles slopes up to 80%. That's 38 degrees. Whether your yard has hills, dips, or rough terrain, this mower powers through without getting stuck. The RTK GPS and UltraSense AI vision provide centimeter-accurate navigation, so it maps your lawn without needing perimeter wires. You just drive it around the boundary using the Mammotion app, and it's ready to go. The app is a standout feature, letting you set schedules, choose mowing patterns like checkerboard or diamond grid, and even create lawn art with 3D printing tech. It's like having a landscaper in your pocket. Another big win is the obstacle avoidance. With ultrasonic radar, a 3D vision camera, and a physical bumper, it dodges over 200 objects, from toys to trees, with ease. I tested it around my garden hose in a bucket, and it navigated flawlessly in no-touch mode. The 400mm dual cutting discs deliver a clean 2.2 to 4-inch cut, leaving those crisp lawn stripes we all love. Plus, it's quiet at under 60 decibels, so you won't annoy the neighbors. The anti-theft features like GPS tracking and app notifications if it leaves the zone give peace of mind. And with 4G, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control it from anywhere. Now, let's talk about a few drawbacks. Setup can be a bit tricky. Connecting to Wi-Fi took me a couple of hours, and I needed a firmware update via a 4G SIM card to get it running smoothly. The app, while powerful, isn't the most intuitive, and some users report slow customer support response times. For smaller lawns, the 3000HX might be overkill. Despite minor hiccups, the LUBA 2 AWD 3000HX is a fantastic choice for anyone with a large, complex yard who wants precision and convenience. It's reliable, tech-packed, and delivers a professional-grade cut. I wholeheartedly recommend it for taking lawn care to the next level. Before you go, grab the best pricing and special promotions using the link below from Rick's Review Hub. Check out our other videos for reviews of similar robot mowers and outdoor tech. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.